Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show step by step how you can easily connect System.io with Namecheap. So the first thing that you want to do is that when you're going to be in System.io, you want to go to top right and go to settings. Here you're going to find custom domains, and then you want to add a domain here. Now when you're going to go to Namecheap, you're going to find domain here and paste it right here with www.save. In the moment when you're going to do it, what will happen is that it's going to appear a CNAME that we have to copy. So what you're going to do is that when you're going to be in domain list on Namecheap, you want to click here on the manage, and then under domain you're going to have the Namecheap basic DNS, and you want to go to advanced DNS, where you're going to have like records and everything, and you want to click add new record, CNAME record, host is going to be the website taoishere.com, like this. Oh no, just paste your www, sorry, just www, and then copy this and paste it here. Then add a new record again, CNAME, and again we just take the first part, paste it to host, and the target is going to be the last thing, like this. And when you're gonna have it, save all changes, and as you can see, it's done. So that's how easy it is. You can connect your Namecheap domain to System.io. If you can have any question, let me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help and provide you some feedback and guidance. What you can do then is also go to DNS checker. To check the site. Right, and then you just have to wait until you always can check it right here. If everything is correct. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.